Hi folks, welcome back to my channel. I have a 2015 Malibu. I'm going to jump into the trunk here and change the battery for the start stop option. Once the trunk's open, you go right in here and you go right down to this little compartment right here on the left. Just grab hold of this right here, turn it counterclockwise. Yeah. Go ahead and grab you a 10mm wrench if you have one. And it should go on here, and you take these here off. There's that one. There's that one. Now I should be able to take these out by hand. Now grab you a long extension, which this one is really too long, but it'll still work because I have to go right down in here. Go ahead and take that out, and that should release the strap. Now just go ahead and pull this down. Put your hand in there and grab it and just lift it straight up and out. And that's the battery that you're going to need, one of those, or one similar to this one. Here's the battery I got. It's an auxiliary 12, and this one also is a 200 cold cranking amp battery. So I'm going to go ahead and install this one here. Just make sure the orientation of your hot wire and your ground wire match your old battery. I'm going to take this new battery and I'm just going to put it in there one-handed. Well, two-handed. I got to pull this out of the way. And it should just fall in this little compartment like that, because that battery fits in there perfect. Now I'll go ahead and put the strap on. Reach back here, grab it. And I'm going to take it down here and I'm going to bolt it up. But I'm going to have to extend this to where it's longer because this battery's a little bit taller. Okay, that one's tightened down. Now I'll go ahead and do this one here. Now put the cover back on. You got a couple holes up here that these go into. There it is. I know they're up there somewhere. Get that in there and you just turn it halfway. It's locked in. I hope this helps. Like, comment, subscribe, share with friends. Thanks for watching.